Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher, the leaders of one curriculum and one nation. Today we have unit number 2, family values. Because the first lecture is about pronounce and spelling simple words with silent letters. Lecture number 2 will be recall substitution words learnt earlier. Lecture number 3 is about recall and changing numbers of simple naming words by adding and removing S and ES. Lecture number 4 is know the importance of family values. Lecture number 5 is write simple, descriptive, narrative and expository paragraphs. So we have the first lesson today. Today we have the first lesson, and the material you need for this lesson is textbook page 14 and 15, workbook page 10 and summer pack page 9 and 10. So let's begin. Kindly open your textbook on page number 14 and 15. This is page number 14, and as per the SLO, where you have to pronounce and spell simple words with silent letters, this part of the page we are going to do now. Pronunciation. Silent. What is the meaning of the word silent? Khamosh. There are some alphabets in English language. When they are written, they are only used to write, but they are not pronounced. As you can see in the textbook, there is a small note for the teachers, but it is also very important for you, so you can read it. Teacher's note. Silent letters are written but not pronounced. So let's look at the examples. Silent letters. Pronunciation means that the way we say those words. Question 1. Underline k and v in each word and pronounce the words. As you can see, there is a k in it, but this will be pronounced only as not. Wrap, knee, no, wrong, wrench. I'll repeat again. Silent letters are the letters which are written, no doubt, but they are not pronounced. They are not pronounced. We don't say the sound when we say these words. In the example here, k and v, even if they are written, but they are not pronounced, they remain silent. So the word here in the box is not cannot, it is not. This one is not wrap, it is wrap. This is not knee, this is knee. This is not no, this is only no. Not wrong, wrong. Not wrench, wrench. Let's have some more practice on workbook page number 10. This is your class task. On page number 10, you can write class task for lecture number 1. The skill which is mentioned here says speaking and writing. Question number 3. Read the words from the word bank loudly. Write those words below in which w is silent. Also write the words in which w is not silent. You can take help from your elder sister. So in this word bank here, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words, and they all start with the sound w. Let's read them one by one. Worry, write, work, who, wrong, water. We have to select words where the w is silent and where the w is not silent. Worry, I get very worried. So, V is not silent here. So, cross out the word worry, you are done. Please write in your book. Write. Write. So, the V is silent. Write. Work. I like to work. Work. The V is not silent. Work. Who? Who is at the gate? Who? The V is silent. Wrong. So the V is silent. Wrong. Last is water. I want to drink some water. For further more practice, please open your summer pack on page 9 and 10 and mark your home task on it. Page number 9, question 1, part 1, 2, and then on page number 10, you can write it here as your home task for lecture 1. And this activity from the chapter 2, family values, you have to attempt them on your own. You can also see the SLO written here on the top of the page. Pronounce and spell simple words with silent letters. Thank you indeed. I hope we have learned together. It was nice to be with you. See you soon. Take care and don't forget to do your homework. Allah Hafiz.